When it was this tail not so strong and not so low, then the driver of the metro train would have jumped 10 meters down, and then I don't think he would survive. And I'm glad that it was so strong, because if he had another track and he bumped onto the other tail, then I think it was. I think it became a different accident. It was not made by saving the metro, because it is more for this, the neighborhood, and the people want to have something for themselves. So we made these two tails of the whale twice as big as they are, for them, as a monument.